It came JVC. Oh yeah, it's the right thing. Oh, I thought this thing was just from 1997. But as you can see here, my research stands me corrected. This is from 1995. This came in here with all kinds of newspapers. What's this? Oh, we got a new VHS-C tape. Okay. That's all we just needed is the battery. Unless that's in here too. Came in mad bubble wrapping tape. This is the camera. Came exactly as advertised. Hi-fi stereo. Exactly what I got this sucker for. Let's go test this thing out, shall we? We are now on the air. I don't know how to set the date and time on this sucker just yet, but I'm gonna get there, believe me. This is my new camera. I just got it in the mail today. Got it off eBay for about 130 bucks. I had to pay shipping and taxes, so that equals $156.86 off of my debit card that I've had for more than a year now. But yeah, this is the camera. JVC GR-SZ9 is what it looks like. It's got a blue display screen, and it beeps too. This is what the thing looks like. It's got kind of fast zoom. That's what I like about this thing. Here's Duke. Hi, Duke. And here's Amber. Hi, Amber. Look at you. There's my golden girl. Fast asleep. I wonder what she's dreaming of. That was my new JVC camcorder. It's got a blue display screen. That's neat. Got a whole bunch of buttons I have yet to figure out. And a color viewfinder. Is what it looks like in here. Is what it's seeing now. When you record, it makes this noise. And then that double beep is when you stop recording. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have some fun with this thing. Alright, I found out how to set the date and time. And this is a 90s camera, so it is kind of big, you know what I'm saying? And it's going to have examples in here like 1992 and 95, something like that. Okay, I finally got the date set on here. Hey, Amber baby. Hi, pretty puppy. Hi. Sorry about the filthiness of our house, by the way. I still need to clean that off. Hi, Amber. See if we can get some... Okay, we can have both the date and the time up here. Ooh, Amber, I hear a helicopter. Where is it? That was far away. Amber, do you hear the helicopter? See, can we get just the time on here? Okay. See, we can... See, this 21Y thing, I have no idea what's even the point of that. Hi, Duke. I gotta reset that later. Hi, boy. Hi. It's got good zoom. And we will see you later. Goodbye.